Well, we're out here, Blue Ridge Sportsman's Club. This is a range I belong to. Shooting my Traditions Deer Hunter 50 cal flintlock. Shooting lead balls, nothing too fancy, no bullets, no sabot rounds, I guess that's how you say it. Yeah, just going and getting some good fun on the range. Let's get to it.
Complete lower and a complete upper, and just switch them out.
Bruh.
See that pin just comes out. Like these two pins, you take that off, you just put a different. Like that.
Well, guys, I think that's going to wrap up our day here at the range. Got a decent amount of shooting done. Got to go home and clean the muzzle loader. Black powder is pretty corrosive on guns like this. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to suggest other things for more content, hell, if you want to come out here and go shooting with me, it's $5 per guest pass. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. We got pistol range, 100 yard. No, better yet. There's 200 yard, 100 yard, 50 yard, 25 yard, one 300 yard range. And if any of you know Blue Ridge or care to look them up, they have trap shooting out the ass. But anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll catch you guys later.